everybody, how are you? Just a quick little project share of a jar that I got from Walmart that I decided to put a sticker label, vinyl. It's actually vinyl from, I don't even know where I got the vinyl from, but it is done with my Cricut. So it's just Minnie Mouse, and she's asking me what she eating. And on the top I put Mickey and Minnie. And now I'm done with it. And I think I want to put some candy in it. And I want to add some jelly beans, but I want to keep the jelly beans separate than the wrapped candy. But I want them all in the same bucket. So what I'm thinking of is this. I'm going to grab some of those cute little cellophane bags that I have from the Dollar Tree. I don't know. Do I want to do that? What's the difference? Is there a difference? Should I? Shouldn't I? Am I getting crazy? I don't know. Let's see what happens. Let's open the jelly beans. Let's put them in. I don't know. Whoa, that was loud. That was loud. You know what? Sometimes when I'm sitting at my desk, I'll have a little snack or... Oh, how cute. Oh, I wish I had another bag. Look how pretty that is. Yeah, I'm not going to mix and match. I think I will have to get another jar. Yep. Look how cute. Actually, I'll leave them in there like that. Alright, I'm going to leave these. They look very cute. In fact, if I go back to the store, I'm buying another bag of jelly beans. That's it. That's what I'm going to do. So this is just my quick little, yeah, we're taking that out. That's not staying in there. I'm going to go back and get me some more jelly beans. How cute is that? Alright, I have to find a spot on my desk for that. So, thanks for watching my project share. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just a cute little Minnie Mouse that I made on my Cricut. And she's so cute, she's going to sit on my desk. Alright, thanks everybody. Bye.